Hello everyone, my name is Valeria Rebrentceva and I'm the Executive Business Development Manager for Russia and CIS Desk at CS Global Partners in London. Those of you familiar with the investor immigration industry will know that we are the official government authorized marketing promoter for Dominica and St. Kitts and Nevis. As leaders in citizenship and residency solutions, we are glad to share our expertise at the Bosco online workshop on Wednesday, June 17th, starting at 4 p.m. Moscow time. I will explain the main things you should know about citizenship by investment, or CBI for short, in the Caribbean, and why now is the right time to protect your legacy and become a global citizen. We will talk about the CBI programs that let your children inherit your new citizenship, how you can diversify your portfolio, and how CBI can help you in succession planning. You can now register for the webinar by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Until then, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or one of my colleagues through our website www.csglobalpartners.com/contact. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you all very soon.